Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Moher M. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another awe-inspiring story for all of you. Before we go on to the story, could I request those of you who are coming on to the first time to my channel to kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification so that you'll get an update on every new video which I bring out for you. We started this channel in 2015 on Facebook. This is a by invitation only group on Facebook, and today we have there about 820 members. We have an additional 120 members on WhatsApp, and on YouTube we started in May 2020 in view of the ongoing COVID-19 virus. Our mission is to ensure that we share with you daily inspiration and stories of mankind at its very best. This is to help strengthen the moral fiber of the present and coming generation and help you put your best foot forward on a daily basis. I'm also a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one, and in mankind's battle against the infamous COVID-19 virus, it requires that all of us stand up, be counted, and make a difference to someone in our community. Not all of us can make a difference to lakhs of people, but all of us in these critical times can stand up and make a difference to those people in our community who need our help in these difficult times. The inspirational person I'm going to be speaking to you about today is James Christopher Harrison. He's an Australian who is a regular blood plasma donor. He donates his blood plasma every 3 weeks. And in 2018, 11th May 2018, where he made his last donation at the age of 81, beyond which in Australia you cannot donate blood or blood plasma, he had donated 1,173 times. And thanks to his blood plasma donations, he has been able to save the lives of 2 million plus babies. Yes, you heard me right. 2 million plus babies he has been able to save thanks to his donation, spreading over 57 years. 1,173 times has resulted in saving the lives of 2 million babies. He was born on 27 December 1936, and at the age of 14 he had to undergo a major chest surgery. Now, when he recovered from the chest surgery, he realized that he required so much of blood during his surgery, and he promised that once he turned 18, he will donate blood throughout his life. He started donating blood from 1954 once he turned 18. After a few donations, it was discovered that his blood had an unusually strong and persistent antibodies against the DRH group antigen. Discovery of these antigens led to development of immunoglobulin based products to prevent RH disease in newborn babies. RH disease affects newborn babies, and they are born with anemia and jaundice because of this, and multiple babies lose their lives because the mother's blood cells start destroying the blood cells of the baby, even the fetus. Thanks to James Harrison's 1,173 donations, which he completed on 11th May 2018, he has been able to save 2 million plus babies. Plasma, as opposed to blood, you can donate every 2 weeks, and he made it a point to donate every 3 weeks for a period of over 60 years. He has been awarded the Medal of the Order of Australia on 7 June 1999 for his role in saving the lives of over 2 million babies. Friends, not all of us can be James Harrison Christopher and make a difference to so many lives. But definitely, as I said earlier, we can stand up and be counted and make a difference to one person in our community. We are facing our biggest battle against the infamous COVID-19 virus. And this requires us that we stand up and be counted and make a difference and help someone in our community. Only then can we help mankind overcome the dreaded COVID-19 virus. Also, let me reiterate that while you go out to help others, you need to take extreme precautions that you are safe. What does that require? That you wear a mask always, you avoid crowded places, and you maintain social distancing norms at all points of time. If you are safe, you can help others. If you are affected, you need help, you cannot help others. So, my friends, till we meet again with another awe-inspiring story, stay safe and make a difference to one in your community. Good luck, all the best. Thank you.